last video, I explained the random processes that make the universe random. Here is one interpretation of these random processes called the many worlds interpretation or many worlds theory. This theory states that every time a random decision is made, the universe splits into each outcome. The implication of this is that anything that could possibly happen will happen, has happened, and is happening an infinite number of times. There are an infinite number of universes. First, let's talk about the electrons. With the many worlds interpretation, whenever an electron's position is decided, the universe splits into every position that the electron could be in. This one event creates an infinite number of universes to account for the infinite number of positions that the electron could have. This means that there are an infinite number of universes that are practically identical to yours. So any event that is physically possible happens an infinite amount of times across the multiverse. Many worlds interpretation, name of the group of infinite universes. Particle decay does the same thing. There are an infinite number of universes to account for each possible time that the particle decays. So there is a universe where uranium isn't considered radioactive because every particle of uranium is on the very long end of the decay path spectrum. This is very, 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 very unlikely, though. That is why we don't observe this in our universe. Also, you may recall the Schrödinger's cat thought experiment, where the cat is put into a superposition of alive and dead. When the box is opened to see the cat, the superposition collapses. One way, alive, in one universe, and the other way, dead, in the other universe. These are the basics of the many-world interpretation of quantum mechanics. Superpositions don't randomly collapse into a single state. They collapse by splitting the universe into each possibility. Here is a little comic to show the many worlds theory.
Can I borrow your computer?
Yes.
No. I hate
okay.
Actually,
Here you
harsh.
go. What did compute?
Yay.
Sorry.
As you can see, one small event, asking for a computer, can make the universe split and branch off into so many possibilities. But we don't observe this when we ask for a computer because we only follow one timeline. Here's what it might look like from the perspective of one of the people.
Can I borrow your computer?
No. Aw, okay. Actually, here you go. Too little, too late. As you can see, the many worlds theory isn't observable to people living inside the many worlds. We just perceive one path, one straight line of time, but really, time might look like a branch.
If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them.